Hello friends, my name is Hitesh Agarwal. Welcome to my channel PHP Academy. Today I am going to prepare one video for how you can install my extension merge guest order to customers. So you can know that how you can use it and how you can install it. Before starting, I want to request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please click on the bell icon as well, so you will not miss my upcoming videos and you will learn Magento from my channel. So friends, this is my extension merge guest order to customers. So you will find it on the Magento marketplace, marketplace.magento.com. I will give my extension link in my description box, so you will easily get it. So once you will be on the marketplace, you just need to search merge guest. Okay, so very first extension you will find. Okay, so you can just click here and you will land to my extension page. So before starting the installation, I want to explain some features about this extension. So the feature is, if you have a customers and customers are placing order as a guest, okay, and after sometimes they come on your website and register, okay, but as of Magento default, they are not merging the old orders with your guest customer. So this extension will help you on that, so you can retain, or your customers can see their previous orders in their account. So as soon as the customer will register, all his previous orders which he has placed as a guest will be merged to his account. In opposite side also, if customer register on your website and after that he placed the orders on your website as a guest, at that time also that order will be merged with this customer. Okay, so he can see his orders in his account. Okay, so if you will go here, you will see the description and you will see how it works. Okay, and you can see the features as well I have mentioned here. Okay, so first you need to purchase this. The price is zero, so it's free of charge. We are not taking any charges for this. But if you need any installation service, if you are not able to, or if you are not technical, and if you want to install this extension in your own website, so you can pay very small charges, installation fees, $10, and we will install it for you. So I'm just going to add to cart. Okay. So now you just need to go to proceed to cart, proceed to checkout. So it will ask you for the credentials. So if you have account, you can just log in. If you don't have account and you are new to Magento marketplace, then you simply create an account. Okay. So I have account, so I will just log in. Okay, so you don't need to pay anything. Just click on place order, and here is your extension. So just click on install. Okay, here you will find the extension. Okay, and this is your installation path. So you have to install this extension using Composer. Now Magento has deprecated the down zip file, so you cannot download the zip file, okay, of this extension. So you can just copy this and go to your command line. You have to go to your Magento root directory and you need to run the command composer require and this. Okay, so it will take some time to install. So the extension is installed. Now you need to run the Magento setup upgrade command. So now I will run setup bi compile command, and finally we run cache clearing command to clear the cache. Okay. Setup contain deploy command is not required. okay, because we don't have any changes related to JS or CSS file. So now we will go to the admin. So I will just now I will go to store configuration, and here you can see Mage Academy configuration for the merge customer. Here you can see the settings. You can enable or disable extension, and you can see also one more configuration, but this is not for use as of now. This will come in our future release. So in future, whenever you have the merging, okay. So currently, your customer and orders will be merged instantly using the observer, but in future we will send the merging of the order to the customers using the message queuing system. Why? Because for example, if there are many orders, for example 10 or 15 orders, and after that customer will register, okay, so it will take time for the registration. So to avoid that, we will send this process to the message queue, so customer will not face any time in the while registration. Okay, so let's not take this for now. Just take this enable and disable. Okay. Now I will go to the front end, and I will place order as a guest. Okay, so my order has been placed, and if you will see in the order, okay, so here you can see Hitesh guest email ID, and here you can see customer group not logged in. Means I have placed order as a guest. Now I will register with this email ID. Okay, so here you can see my order which I have placed as a guest, and I can see that order in my account. And also, if you will refresh the order in the admin side, that also you can see here my customer group has been changed to the general, and here also you can see the link in the customer name. So if I will click here, it will redirect me to the customer edit page, and I can see my information, and also I can see customers order in his account as well. So it is linked. Just I want to tell you that only order will be linked with the customer, but his address will not come here. Okay, so order is not synchronized. Okay, but in future we will come up with that feature as well. So in future we will synchronize the customer first address with his address book. Okay, but as of now, customer order is only merged with the customer. Okay. So now we will take one another example where I will register customer first, and then I will place the order as a guest. So I am registering. Okay. So I am registering as a Hitesh guest at the rate two. So I have taken Hitesh guest two at the rate gmail.com. So here you can see currently this customer don't have any order. Okay. Now I will log out, and then I will place one order. Okay. Now I will place one order. Here it is asking for me for the password, but I will not enter my password and I will place the order as a guest. My order has been placed. Order number is 28. Now I will sign in. So if I will go to my account, so friends, here you can see my order. Okay, so which is merged. So friends, you have seen that how my extension merge guest order to customers is working, and it will helpful for your website, and your customers can see their orders which they have placed as a guest. Okay, and you can retain your customer as well. Hope you like my this extension, and if this extension helps you in your website, please write a review for my extension. You can just go down, and here you will find a button to write a review. So it will give us more motivation to develop more extension and help your business. Also, please, if you like my video, this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.